So in today's video, I'll be showing you how you guys can create N8N for free through AWS. Now, before you start using services like Railway, Hostinger, and Digital Scrape, N8N is just very expensive, so why not just use it for free? And most of these servers, they're just middlemen because all they do is just use AWS as a service and then sell it to you when you can use it for free. And so why use the middleman when you can just go straight to the source? And this is what exactly I'm here for. Quick thing about me is I've been a software test developer for 3 years. I've worked for TestPro and I've worked for Volson. Why build AI with a team when you can use AI to build AI? That's what my thing is. I do AI automation and I'm skilled with that started. So all you need is AWS, N8N, and then we're going to connect it with Docker. So first we're going to create an account with AWS. Quick thing, we're going to have AWS for 1 year. Now, since we're talking about Amazon and AWS, I want to mention something about my community. My community is centered around Amazon and how to break into it with $0. The thing is, I've lost $10,000 in the e-commerce niche when I was selling products on Amazon, and it was not worth it because you needed to invest money. It was stupid. But then I've created this new genius idea that you can get into Amazon with just $0. I use Amazon businesses to target them, and I sell them AI automations, which is exactly what you guys can do because this is exactly what I teach in my community. These are the workflows that I sell to Amazon businesses. The insight system, the PPC campaign manager and listing optimization, and then the system of reports. These are very simple. You guys can just build it with me and learn more about N8N together. If N8N does not make you money, then it does not make any sense. Okay, so all you want to do is type in EC2 into the search bar. And then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click the first link that shows up. Now that you're on this page, you want to get started with EC2 AWS tier for free. So let's go ahead and click on create an account. We're going to choose the free plan and go ahead and select it. Now just fill out your information and then just click agree to steps and verify yourself if you need to. Now that we've logged in, go ahead, click on the search, and we're going to type EC2. Go ahead and select it. This is going to be our virtual machine. This is where we're going to host our N8N, and then we're going to install Docker onto it. Now on this page, there's a big button that says launch instance. Go ahead and click it. Now that everything's loads, you want to put a name to your virtual machine. I'm going to call it N8N. And then for our application, we're going to go ahead and select Ubuntu. Now for the instance type, you want to go ahead and leave it as free. And now for the key pair, this is our login info. It's very important. We're going to go ahead and create a new key pair. Just keep everything default, call it N8N key, boom. And then go ahead and click create key pair. Now that it's automatically downloaded into your system, go ahead, scroll all the way down. Once you're satisfied with everything, just go ahead, click launch instance. Now that you can see that your virtual machine is loading, and then you're going to be presented with this selection right over here. To install N8N onto our virtual machine, we're going to go ahead and use Tabby. Tabby is already a written out software that we can use to just connect N8N super easily. So all you guys need to do is just go ahead. The link will be provided, by the way, in the description below. Go ahead, click on releases. Now if you're using Mac OS, I recommend that you get something like Mac OS ARM64.dmg. This one's for Mac, but for me, I'm using Windows, so I'm going to scroll all the way down and I'm going to click on setup x64.exe. So go ahead, click that, and now it's being downloaded into your system. Now if you're having download issues just like me, so what you want to do is you want to go ahead, click the 3 arrows, and you want to click keep. Next, go down, you want to click on the 3 things and click keep anyway. So now that it's fully downloaded, go ahead and open the file. Install it and save it onto your D drive or whatever C drive you have, it does not matter. Perfect, so now that you've installed Tabby, now we're going to go ahead and create an account. So go ahead, click on settings. Now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on profiles and connections. Then click on the new button, click on new profile. Now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click the SSH connection. Perfect. So now for the name, we're going to go back to our AWS and we're going to paste it in here. Perfect. Now that you're on AWS, go ahead and click on your instance that you've created. Boom. Now once you've clicked it, go go ahead and click it again. As you can see that we have the public IP4 address. We're going to be using this address to connect. So go ahead and click the copy paste button and then go back to your tabby. Perfect. So now that we're back, go ahead, paste it in here. Now scroll down. The name should be N8N. Perfect. And now go down and then paste it into the host. Just over here. And then for username, we're going to call it Ubuntu, just like what we've selected previously. Input the private key that you've downloaded from the instance. Go ahead, click on key. Now what you want to do is you want to copy from the folders and paste in your private key. I've pasted in my private key, so I'm going to click save. And boom, we're connected. So now that you see our N8Ns listed right over here, what you want to do is go ahead and click on start. Now that we're going to be accept and everything, boom, we're fully connected with our own private terminal. Now after your terminus, we're going to go ahead and paste in the code. So Control-Shift-V and paste in this code sudo curl-ffsl docker. And now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and just click enter. Now that Docker is being executed, perfect, now Docker is installed. By the way, if you guys want this code and these links to Tabby and whatever, all you have to do is just go ahead and go to the bottom of the description of my YouTube, and now you'll be able to see in the last tab you'll see the important notes. Now you'll have the links that you guys can copy and paste and the codes as well. Control-Shift-V and paste in this code, service docker start. This will start our whole setup and we're ready to go. I want you guys to go on github.n8n-io-n8n. Now for N8N, they made it so easy for us that all we have to do is just copy these into our terminal and N8N will be installed. So go ahead, copy docker volume control. It's going to be Control-C. Next, Control-Shift-V. Paste that in, hit enter. Now notice the permission failed. So let's try that again. So paste that in. Now in the beginning, before you hit enter, type in sudo. Perfect, now it's installed. Next, we're going to copy the bottom part. Control-C. Go back to your terminal. Control-V. Now before you hit enter, you're going to do the exact same thing. So now before the dash name, you're going to go ahead and remove rm and ti So it's going to look just like this. Now for the Docker, you're going to go ahead and type sudo terminal. Now click enter. Now go back to your AWS instance. Click security. Now here we're going to click on security groups. And then in here we're going to click on edit inbound rules. Now this is where we're going to add a rule. So just go ahead, click add a rule. Now for N8N port, it's going to be 5678. And then for here, it's going to be 0000, just like the above one. Now click save rule, and you are done. Now go back to EC2. Now what you want to do is copy the public IP address. Go on a new tab. Now if you're having trouble connecting to N8N, all you guys need to do is go ahead and copy http://localhost 5678. Paste that in, and now from whatever your server is going to be running, it's going to be connected all the way to your terminal. So just like that. Now for whatever reason, if you're facing issues, just paste it in sudo docker logs-f-n8n, paste in. Now your server is accessible by localhost. You can just go ahead and click it. It's going to load up for you. Go ahead, click an account, and then you should be ready.